Hello. I woke up today with a lot of inspiration and a cold, but a lot of inspiration, a lot of motivation to do my YouTube and do it better and film better and tell stories better. And I'm so excited to keep going. I want to put effort into my hobbies. Um, and this is one of them, and this is my biggest one. And I just want to do better. I want to keep growing, and I want to just change my content a little bit, and just make it better for everyone. And I also have a cold, so that's fun. So I'll be filming with a cold. Yay!